And now a tip and trick all about the ecoRoute and the Honda navigation system in the Ridgeline. To get there, you go to Navigation, press these 3 lines, go down one to where it says ecoRoute, and first you need to set it up. So we'll set up a profile, unleaded gas, city mileage is 18, highway miles is 25, fuel price here is $2.78. And now you can get an exact idea of how much fuel you've used. You can also enter an eco challenge, which actually gives you a score on how eco-friendly you're driving. It does your braking and your acceleration. You can enter all your fuel economy and it shows you your carbon footprint, a vehicle profile, and lastly, a mileage report. How convenient is that?